Welcome back to the kingdom. This is a new day. This is the day that God is going to bless you with $200 to $1,000 today. And it already happened for me. This is the gold market. I got in here. I saw the consolidation. I saw this bottoming pattern. This candle right here dropped all the way down. I bought up here, like right in there, right in that candle. This drawdown was about $3,000 to $4,000 drawdown. Got me back in here. I kept adding more contracts as it was dropping. Right here, down 4,000. These next three green candles made me 4,000. Let me give you the proof. Gold, I had 32 contracts just buying as it fell. I'm not sure if you can see this. Right there, $4,300. I'm hoping you can see that. $32 contract. Do not recommend that. Market is opening any second now. I just want to see what the market does. I'm done. Made 5,000 total today. The market is literally down. $300 points is trying to turn around because it was down. Okay, there we go. Market is open. Look at that. Major fall. This is the Dow. Question is, should we buy this? I probably should not have bought it, but I got in. Let's see if we get a quick turnaround. This down here looks like it's going to fall further. This here's the NASDAQ. This is what we really want to focus on. If it comes down to this line, I'm in heavy. I'm already up 500, so whatever I get, I'm taking. Up another $85. Broke both of our lines, came down heavy, got a nice push up. Made $100 off that open. Look at that reversal. Came down, hit our line. So what do? Take 5 contracts as a starter. Okay, I did not even recognize I had that line. So this thing can drop another 100 points. And then it's a major buy. But I think we can get a quick reversal right here. Let's see if it turns right here in the middle line. Remember, we can always drop another 50 points. Okay, it looks like we had a small reversal. Let's see if it pops over our break even. I definitely am going to look to get back in this, or to get more into this. Let's see if we can pull another 100 out of this. This is only 5 contracts, but let's see what we got. It looks like it might want to reverse, so I might get in again. Okay, that's the next candle. There we go. Should have got in like I said. See if we can make $100 off this. There we go. We were up 100. We need one heavy push, and there it is. 145. People. 145. Look at that, still going. I caught the reversal on the 1 minute. Still going. I told you when it hit our line. When it hit the line, look at that nice move. I showed you on the 1 minute what I was looking at. I was going to buy more when it came down a little further. Did not get the opportunity. Still made over 100. Made 4,000 this morning. Why didn't I keep this in? Look at this go. Dow looks like it wants to pop. Should we get in another trade? Let's go. Okay, we got room to go on that. That one did exactly what I said. Still going. Missed out on major money. But right now we'll just take the Dow and see what we can get off this Dow. Let's see if we can get another 100 off the Dow. Okay, we had okay, it hit the line. Reversed on us. That's okay. Looks like we have some consolidation going on. Any drop, I'll buy more. Okay, I missed out on that opportunity. There we go. I might just take that. Let me get up to 100. There it is. 102. Another 100 off that. This thing still has room to come up to the black line up here. But I wanted to show you how we scalp these markets. Can you believe I missed out on here? I got out down here. All that run I missed. It's probably going to hit this VWAP up here. Unbelievable. I need you to give this a thumbs up and a like, and can you subscribe if you're into the trading and you want to learn how to catch these reversals. This is what we do for the kingdom. The money we get is to help others who are in need. We're blessed to be a blessing. We can actually get back in this for another move up. And we just scalp all day long. Let's see if we're going to break this or not. 955. Let's see if we break 955s. There we go. We just broke it. Now do we pray this for... Do we try this for a reversal? Doesn't look like it wants to stay down. But we could have caught a few dollars off that. Let's see what our gold trade is doing. I wonder if we can make a few dollars. $20, $30, $50 off that. Yes, we could have. I should have took it when I had the chance. Look at this, people. Look at this. This is where you could have made your money, all that. That's your consolidation. That's your bottoming. Look at that. I said to get in down here. Oh well. I'm giving you the free game. Look at this. This is how we make 5,000. Same thing over here, what I did with this gold trade. This is how we make 5,000 off gold like I did. Right there, look at all that box. Consolidation. I got in right here, had a major drawdown. Caught these 3 candles up. Made $4,300 in gold. Very risky trade. I was in 32 contracts. Very risky. Drawdown was over 4,000. Turned that thing all the way around. So I really made 8, and it could have still gone. Look at this candle. If I just kept it in, that's easily $15,000, $20,000. But I took that 4,300 and ran. Free game. Consolidation. Push up. If you want to learn more, you want to be a part of this Kingdom Business, subscribe, contact me. And until next time, get out there and create a kingdom business.